Hi guys, and welcome back again to my channel. This morning is going to be a requested video on how to cook beef liver in my kitchen. This video has been long asking and long waiting, and finally I'm here to give it to you. So let's go with this. Let's talk about our ingredients. I have here 2 pounds of beef liver. Make sure when you're buying your beef liver that you want to know if it's clean or not. This one is clean. There's an upper skin on your liver, that extra skin that you might want to take off. If it is already done in your meat market or your supermarket, you're fine, but you want to make sure that that liver does or does not have that upper skin. You have to take it off, because if you cook it with that upper skin on the liver, it's going to be tough. Alright, this one is clean already. All I did was cut it up in the sizes that I wanted to be cut in. Alright, so that's the sizes that I choose. And yeah, this is just perfect. That's the way I want it. Now let's talk about the other ingredients I'm going to put in here. I have onion, sweet pepper. I'm using green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper. And my onions, I'm going to put some thyme in it. This is dried thyme. I'm going to put 1 scotch bonnet pepper in it. Also going to put a few pimento seeds as well. So that's the ingredients I'm going to put in so far. And just to give it a little bit of flavor, I have salt and pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of Jamaican seasoning salt in here. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and 1 1/3 cup of ketchup. That's going to give it a lot of flavor. I'm also going to add my vinegar, of course, because you guys know I don't cook without vinegar. And you're going to need your cooking oil to get the dish started. So let's go with it. Okay guys, so I have here a pot on the fire. I'm going to just add a little bit of oil in there, just to top off the dish. Alright, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and add your peppers in. Your onion, your scotch bonnet pepper, your thyme. You just add all of that in there. You want to add your garlic to that. And remember guys, liver doesn't take long. The longer you cook it, is the tougher it's going to get. So that's pretty good. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the liver in. I'm going to add my salt and pepper and my seasoned salt. Also going to add my butter and my ketchup. Also going to add to that a little pinch of vinegar. Now guys, if you guys want to go ahead and season your meat overnight or whatever, you can go ahead and do that. When I'm cooking liver, this is the way that I do it. So what I'm going to do now here, I'm just going to go ahead and cover this up. And within about 15 minutes, I'm going to come back and I'm going to check it. Okay? So that is what that stage looks like. So I'll see you back in 15 minutes. So, okay guys, the liver has been cooking for 15 minutes. And that is what it looks like after 15 minutes. I'm just going to add a little bit more water to it. Just a little bit. Because, like I said, you have to be careful when you're cooking liver, because it will get tough on you. So, I'm just going to add that little bit of water on there. Give it another 5 minutes. That's all it needs, 5 minutes. And this is going to be ready. That's what it looks like. So I'll see you back In a few minutes, I'm just going to go ahead and put everything on a plate and let you guys see what that looks like. So see you back. So there you have it, guys. I'm all done. I'm going to have it with some dumpling and green plantain and cassava this morning. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next. And don't forget, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.